Hi guys and welcome back to the AMCrypto channel. Unfortunately, I was right yesterday with my prediction and we have to talk about what's going on next year for Bitcoin and that the next move is something that you shouldn't be fooled by. And if you think that's interesting, then definitely stick around here. Make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, you're liking this video, and also activate the bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates. And now let's directly get into it. So here on the 12-hourly chart, Bitcoin had broken out here to the upside and market makers directly pushed the price back down into the range of $25,300 $26,300. We came all the way back down to the line in the sand, I want to call it, the $25,800 level, got supported from there, bounced back up a little bit, and now again range bound between $25,800 and $26,300 until we are leaving that range. So now, of course, what was the news event that has caused that? It was the delay of 6 Bitcoin spot ETFs for another 45 days. That was announced yesterday and that has led to that sharp drop in the Bitcoin price. So first we had some good news for Grayscale that the appeal worked at the court against the SEC, so the price moved up. And then the SEC decided, you know what, you want to play like that, no problem. We're going to show you how we're going to play with you and delay all ETFs, and bam, the price comes straight back. Sometimes the market is quite amazing and funny how it's working. But what should we do? And we have to work with what's given and cannot do anything against it. But I want to point out that doesn't mean that the spot ETF will not come at all. It's just delayed for 45 days. I believe it might be afterwards delayed for another 45 days, and then towards the end of the year, as a Christmas gift kinda, will be then actually approved. Now, when we go to the 4-hourly chart, you see here exactly what I had mentioned yesterday. I told you guys we need to stay above the golden ratio here, the 0.618, 0.65. Otherwise, we will head lower to exactly where we went to, the 0.786, $26,280. If you would have taken the trade that I have given you, you would have made a nice amount of money, if potentially even still in that trade. Congratulations if you took it. And now we have to talk about what's potentially coming next for Bitcoin if we are staying in the range that we are in right now. So because we see here support at $25,900. If that support gives in, what's going to happen next? And just here on the 4-hourly chart, I can tell you already, the next level would be $24,800 approximately, but I don't think Bitcoin is going to stop there. I believe we will head lower. So I also want to have a look here quick on, do I have it here? No, I have to take it from here, on the EMA ribbons. Let's see what the EMA ribbons are saying. Yeah, so we flipped here finally bullish again, and now we are flipping bearish again. So the EMA ribbons are also not in our favor here on the 4-hourly chart. And let's move then here to the heat map. So you see here on the heat map, there's quite a big cluster still. Let me move this over here to today. So around $26,000, there is still a big cluster that is supporting us, but it is getting thinner. And that is, of course, not good that this cluster is now getting thinner and thinner here. It goes here all the way up. So you see we have already potential sell orders coming in at $26,300, exactly the level that we need to break to move higher. And support is now, the next biggest one is around $25,000. So like $1,000 away from where we are right now. And that is not good. So that shows you that market makers and liquidity providers getting potentially ready for a drop to $25,000 and potentially even lower. So to the upside here, nothing really has majorly changed. So resistance is still where it was before. A part of that resistance is now moved down into the 26K area, which we did not want to see normally. So there is a high chance that we gonna get pushed down to around 25K because there are now some buying bids on the heat map. And guys, don't forget, if you want to trade in this volatile market, do that on a BYBIT. You still get $30,000 if you sign up here with that specific link, and you can also copy trade my links on BYBIT. And if you want to learn how to trade and how I'm able to predict every single move of Bitcoin, then sign up for my trading course. Here's also the link to my website, amcrypto.us. Choose the course that you want, and I can promise you, if you take the time and the money to invest into this course, you will never need another course in your life, because that course is so comprehensive and will take you a couple of months to complete and will set you up for the next bull run. You still have a little bit of time for that, but you have to be fast, because the next bull run is just around the corner and you want to be ready and be able to print money once the bull run is actually starting. So here on the daily chart, I want to carve out the next bigger support levels that we have to look at, where potentially Bitcoin might be dropping to. So one of them is all the way down here. So you can see we are not far away from that zone here already. Just let me make this here a different color quick. And that zone is coming in from 24,700 all the way up to 25,200. That is the immediate next bigger key support level that has to hold. What is going to happen if that level is not holding? Then we have to look lower. So the next lower level of support is potentially all the way down here. And that would be $21,600 approximately. So, and that's what I'm saying to you guys. It's really, really important that we keep $25,000. If not, Bitcoin will move really quick, much lower. That's basically it already for today's episode, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please make sure that you smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button, and see you then again tomorrow.